Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Jake from TodaysiPhone.com, and here's your TAP Daily for March 12th, 2013. Okay, so let's start off today with a couple new iWatch concepts. The first comes from Mac User Magazine, and it features a watch with a leather band, a curved glass screen, and a watered-down version of iOS. It looks really cool. I like the leather of the band, and the curved glass is really nice. And we also see the curved glass in the second concept of the day, which is from designer Edgar Rios, who sent his designs to 9to5Mac. Now, this concept does not have the leather band, but it does come in both black and white, have a long, narrow, curved glass display with iOS on it. There are a lot of similarities between these two concepts, but there are also a lot of differences. It's really interesting to see the way that people are imagining this iWatch, and I really hope that Apple gets it right and makes people happy when the company finally does announce its version of the iWatch. But if the past is any indication, Apple's design team will not let us down. Okay, moving on. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of Google Now, but it's basically Android's version of Siri. It has a bunch of location-based things. There's traffic, there's weather, there's restaurants around you, that kind of thing. It's a service that knows where you are, and it offers you all the information you need right when you need it, and it's a really, really cool thing. Currently it's only on Android, but a video that leaked onto the web and then was promptly pulled off of YouTube seems to be advertising a version of Google Now for iOS that's built right into the Google application. Both the official Google Now for Android ad and this leaked Google Now for iPhone ad feature the same voice actress. They have the same look with the animations and stuff, and it really does look legit to me. And also the fact that Google pulled the video, or somebody pulled the video, is also very suspect. It'd be really cool if Google did integrate this service into the iOS application, and if I had to guess, I'd say that we will see an announcement sometime in the future. Okay, and finally, gamers out there, listen up, because a new PSP emulator for iOS is being developed for iPhones, and it should hit the jailbreak community sometime very soon. The emulator, which is called PPSSPP, is currently in the first stages of development, so you can see a video of it in action, but it does run pretty slowly. The developers claim that with time the performance will get better and better, and pretty soon we'll have an emulator in Cydia for PSP games. Now, if you don't know what an emulator is, it's basically a program that simulates some sort of console. So there are emulators for Game Boy and N64. And once you download them, you're able to play games that were on those consoles on an iOS device. PSP is a much more advanced gaming system than something like a Game Boy. So it'll definitely be interesting to see how this emulator compares to the emulators that have already been out there for a while. But I have a feeling this is going to make a lot of people really happy. Okay, well, that's all the big news for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Your question of the day today is, what is your favorite form of mobile gaming? Do you like iOS games? Do you like PSP, PS Vita, Game Boy, Nintendo DS? Or something like these emulators where you get a combination of a couple different things? You can let me know in the comment section down below, or on Twitter at TIP_Jake. Please don't forget the links to everything I talked about in this video in the description down below, so definitely check those out. And as always, for more news, views, and reviews, please don't forget to check out TodaysiPhone.com.